Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial about the use of the Google Spreadsheet free and how to learn Google Spreadsheet on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet application, which is this part. You just need to click it to open it, and this is the loop whenever you open your Google Sheets application. Okay, so the first thing that we have to understand about Google Sheet is how the way we create a new document, because without creating a new documents we cannot work with those application or those documents. So how to create, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that preparing the title, for example work 2, and after that you just need to go click create, and now you already have an active documents that you can fill with the informations about your work or your job. And how to learn more about the Google Sheet itself, this Google Sheet application is already provide the special part or special section for the user to learn this Google Sheet free. So you just need to go click these 3 small dots, and after that you just need to go click help and feedback. In this help and feedback, there's already pop up in this part, the popular helps researchers, and here is containing a lot of information about how the way we use or how the way we work with the Google Sheet. If you want to search for specific part, for example, how to edit cells, just need to type on the search button and go click search. And now they will be pop up here a lot of information related to edit the cells. You even can get information about the how to do a formatting numbers in the spreadsheets. So you just need to find out by yourself what you need to know about the Google Sheets. And then the final part that I would like to show to you today is how to remove these documents out of your drive. So you just need to go click these 3 small dots and just scroll down this option until you found a trash bin symbols and then remove in here, and you just need to go click it and confirm that you want to delete these documents, and those documents will be disappear from your Google Drive. So that's the way how you use a Google Sheet, how the way you learn how about using the Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.